quickly record this so we can share. And unfortunately, this Zoom, I've actually not subscribed this Zoom. I was meant to do it today, but a lot of activities I forgot. But our subsequent presentations will have this Zoom subscribed. So instead of me sharing the Google link for people to be able to watch, I will just be able to share the Zoom link that will take them to the recorded version. Okay, then that being said, so take note, after every 40 minutes, they might be shutting it down. So we'll have to click on the link again to join. All right. So, but hopefully before the next presentation, we'll have this Zoom subscribed. So now that being said, let me quickly take us to the business of tonight. And if you can hear me loud and clear, you would just want to drop a 777 in the chat box. Just type 777 if you can hear me loud and clear. All right, thank you. Thank you, superstar. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So for those who are new to Forex and crypto, let me just quickly do a brief, very brief introduction, okay? Very, very brief introduction. Now, the Forex market is very huge, okay? It did not just start today, not even last year or 2 years ago. This market has been there for years. If I take you to just to buttress that point, let me stop sharing this and take you guys to the trading view to show you how far or how long ago the Forex market has started, or the Forex trading totally has started. Okay, just hang on a bit. The trading view is loading. So I need to do this so that people can understand genesis of the market. Just hang on. It's loading, loading, and loading. All right, and if you can see my screen, give me a 111 if you can see my screen. Even though the trading view is loading, just give me a 111 in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The trading view is taking a bit to load. Just hang on. Okay, while we are waiting for it to load, let me take us back to, so I'll just be juggling both that trading view and this other screen that I wanted to show earlier. So I was saying that the market has been there for years. So I think that was what took us to trading view, where I wanted to show you, take you back to, years ago when, how far the trading view can actually take us. I think the last time I checked, I was seeing 1980 something, 1980, 82, 85, 87. The market has been there. As at today or this period, the market trades daily. The daily volume in dollars is over $6.7 trillion. The money that goes into the market in and out daily, it's over $6.7 trillion. Okay. So it's a very huge market that is big enough for everybody to partake in. But you know what? People lose money a lot because of greed in Forex. I tell you the fact, I have never blown an account in Forex because I am not greedy. So why people blow up their account is because they want to make it all in one day because the money there is so big. They want to, just harvest all, and by so doing, they increase their lot size. The lowest lot size is about 0.01. That's the lowest lot size. Okay. 0.01. So which means, for instance, if you are trading a currency like gold, where the price will move from maybe $4,000 to $4,001. Okay. So if you are using this lot size, the smallest lot size, so this move, if there's an increase in the price from 4,000 to 4,001, gold will earn you $1 because you're using this smallest lot size. But if you increase your lot size to say 0.1, when there is this movement in price, just $1 added to the price, you will make, with this lot size, you will make $10. So you see, you make $10. But if you decide to increase this lot size to 1, instead of 0.1, you increase it to 1 lot size. So this move in the price will give you $100 per movement. So if this price changes to 5, there's a $5 increase in the price, your earnings will also change to $500. So you see the grid. So if you move your lot size to 10, and there's a movement in price of just $5 difference, this earning would turn to $5,000 for this small movement in price. So people who are greedy, what they increase their lot size so that they make big money at once. But you know what? Where it is dangerous is that when the market goes the other way, so instead of going up, the market starts to go to 3,000, say 900. Now, what is the difference in the price? That's about $100. You know what's going to happen? This amount will also go in negative. It will now be, let me do the mathematics. It will now be 100, the changes in the price times 1,000, because you are using this lot size, 10 times 10. So you see, you would have lost $100,000. So my friend was sharing with me yesterday, someone who lost $60,000 in Bitcoin yesterday, because the person was trading Bitcoin, and $60,000 account was blown out. You know the reason is because of this high lot size. So that's why the boat that we have created, it is created to use the smallest lot size, 0.01. So there is no way your account will be blown with 0.01. And with the way the boats are structured to work, okay, I'll be showing you all of that in the course of this presentation. So that is Forex for you. So when you hear anybody say, oh, Forex is risky, I've lost a lot of money, just know that that person is using high lot size, or they do not have a proper risk management. Proper risk management, first of all, is for you to use a lot size that suits your account. Okay, you can't have $100 account and you are using 0.03 lot size, 0.05 lot size. That is one. Then, how do people really make money in Forex? Number one is through funded programs. Like for those of you who are in our funded programs, you know what it is. Even though we have not made money, but I am very optimistic that we'll make money. The reason why we have not made money, or let me just say generally, if anyone is in the funded program and they are not making money, is the fact that they are not able to trade. They don't know how to trade, or they don't have a source, whether a boat or where they get signals from to trade. So we have been having these challenges. We have used several boats in the past. But I think, okay, when we started, there was a company that was actually trading for us, okay, in the funded program. But somehow, the broker we are using detected that we are doing copy trading, and they do not support copy trading. So they flinged all of us out of the program. So we had to start afresh. So I think, again, we got connected to a boat, the boat malfunctioned and all of that. Okay, I think I later find out that, it wasn't just a malfunction. It was the fact that the company that was actually the original owner of that boat, or that was you know the creator of that boat, actually changed some features, or changed, I don't know, but it affected our account. So I said that to say that in a funded program, if you have your own boats, and that's why I insisted that our own boat that we'll create now, it will be installed on my laptop. And shout out a big thank you to one of the greatest superstars that I have here on this call tonight. I don't want to mention his name. He's a very quiet person. He doesn't want his name shouting up and down. I think he's on this call tonight, who personally gave us $1,000, you know, to get this thing done. All right. I want to say a big thank you to my brother, my friend, my very dear friend, Emmanuel. Is on the call tonight, all the way from Germany. So, personally sponsored, and he told me, said, Theo, we don't have the time to be doing, what is called subscription. Okay, you subscribe to the boat, and they are in control. The owners of the boat are in control of the boat. When they shut down, you are shut down. When anything happens to them, you don't have access to it. There is nothing you can do. Let us buy it. Let us have it, have full control of it. And that's exactly what we have done. So if you have a source, something that gives you, um, you know, signal, or something that trades for you, funded program is one of the ways that you can make huge, huge, huge money in Forex. I'm telling you, because the program we are in, the company is called Axie, and they can fund us up to $1 million. Yes, up to $1 million. So the time will come, even though it's not going to be like now, like, it's a process. 5,000, it goes to 20,000, 20,000, it goes to 100,000, 100,000, next is 200, 200, the next is 500, after 500, the next is $1 million. So imagine you're just making 2% of the $1 million every month. So that is one of the ways that people make money in Forex. Now, another way that I know, there could be other ways, but the one I'm sure is what I'm sharing with you tonight. And I'm going to let you know how we can maximize this and make profit for everybody in this community. The last one is called IB Commission. Now, how does IB Commission work? It means you working with a broker that has a partnership program. So the partnership program, some call it affiliate program, where you are allowed to do copy trading. Yes, remember earlier I said Axie does not support copy trading, but however, they support funded program. So, but there is this other broker I'm working with now, be introducing to you. They do not do funded program as well, but they do this partnership program where you are able to connect to a signal that you trust, that you're using, and you're making profit. Then you share your link with others who can come in as well. And when they connect, when they make profit, you have a commission. Okay? When they make profit, you have a commission every day. No, not when they make profit. When they trade, whether they make profit or not, whether at the end of the day they are in loss, there is a commission that is paid to you. Now, how does that commission come? It comes in what we call spread. Spread in Forex simply means the difference between the buy and the sell. Okay? Okay, I think we have the trading view open now. Let me take us to trading view to also explain that. Um, just hang on, let me share my trading view now. So the spread is what, if you look here, okay, for instance, in this gold, this is gold pair, you see now the sell price is 4,014.6, 4,014.6, right? But you see the buy price is saying 4,018. Okay. Let me also type that. I want to show you guys something, how people make money Forex. Then if you minus that, the difference is 4,018.76. Yeah. So you see the difference here is actually about $4 at this point. So, but sometimes it's not as high as this, although the market is closed now, it's going to open tonight by 10 p.m. So sometimes it's not as high as this. Sometimes it can be $1. Sometimes it can be even 0.5 cents. But however, that is what you call spread, difference between buy and the sell. So it means if you want to buy now, you open a buy position. The market will automatically deduct this difference, first of all. That's about 4 point something dollars from your trading amount or from the position you have opened. You just see a negative. They are whatever will be in red, -4. So it means you have to wait for price to cancel that negative first before it goes into positive, that you can take your profit. So now, where do you make money as an IB partner or in the IB commission? Now, this $4.16 as a difference, the company or the broker that offers this, affiliate program will share part of this with you. I don't know, sometimes 30%, sometimes 25%. So if we do, for instance, this amount now, we are using this 4.16. Like I said, sometimes it will not be up to this, okay? For this single trade, for 30% of this, that's about $1.2. Okay, $1.2. Now, imagine if that person opens multiple trades, maybe 10 times in a day. We're just using this random, like I said, most of the time it's not up to this. Okay, so which means $1.2 times 10 times that person will open the trade. That's about $12 for that day. Okay, so like I said, the difference sometimes in the prices, buy and sell prices can be just maybe 0.2 cents or 0.3 sometimes, So, but in every trade that that person opens, you have a commission that is paid to you directly, into your account, and you can withdraw it daily once it is above $1. So that is another way people make money in Forex. So, and that's why I want to introduce to you tonight how you can make money daily. Okay, how you can make money daily using this our trading boots. So that will take us to me talking about the boat that we have created. Now, the boat that we have created, it's a hedging boat, the hedging strategy. So that's why I said there is no way it can blow your account because the strategy is unique. It's unique in the sense that prices, if you watch the market very well, they actually work between zeros and zeros. Okay, when the people who are manipulating, and by the way, the forex market is full of. I have a coach who usually say, it's full of demons. Okay, it's full of spiritual people. All the people who want to manipulate the market, or when they see the prices has gone too way upward, they pump in billions of dollars and bring it down. All right, people like Elon Musk, people like the president of the United States, even some politicians in Nigeria, they are all in that market. They pump in billions of dollars daily to control the market. What will happen in Bitcoin? Bitcoin was around $123,000 on Friday, or was it on Thursday, I guess. But where is it now? It has gone way, way down. Okay. In fact, it went as low as 109,000 or 101,000 thereabout. But right now, I think it's trading around 114,000. So that's what happens. And that's why people blow accounts. When these people come in and they just want to control the market, they pump in money there, the market drops. So you who is hoping that the market will go upward, you see that the market is reversing downward and you are losing money. So that's why we created a strategy that anywhere the market go, we are with you. That's why we do hedging strategy. The hedging strategy is that at a particular price, when the market gets to a particular point, the boat will automatically open both position, sell and buy. So it's going to follow the market. Wherever the signal is stronger, it will get to a point, it will close the other side that is losing and allow this other one to run and take profit sharply. Just 10 pips, it takes profit. Every 10 pips above the other side, it takes profit. That is how it is designed. But however, the market can be funny. It can go this way. And by the way, every position that is opened, buy and sell, there is always a stop loss. It does a stop loss, it does take profit. So when it's going this way, this other side that is in loss, when it gets to the point where it will take a stop loss, it will get off the market and stop the loss. Then this one that is in a profit, it will hit, take profit and close. Okay, so, but sometimes you can have a situation where when it's going this way, it can hit stop loss on the other side and it will not get to the take profit of this other one that is already in profit, but it will reverse back towards the other side to go and hit stop loss again. So you can have a situation like that where both buy and sell will hit stop losses. But at the end of the day, we have programmed the boat that at a certain point, get off the market. If the loss is up to $30, get off the market. Then when you make $3 in a day, get off the market. So we have done the testing and we have seen that, yes, out of maybe out of 10 trades, 2 can actually hit stop loss, then you have 8 of them in profit. So when you do the mathematics, you see that that take profits and the stop loss, when you do the mathematics, sometimes it could be a difference of maybe $1 or so. So that's why I tell you that there is no way this boat can blow up an account. So that being said, let me take you guys to the business. Now the business is, we want to put in gold and BTC together, where we instruct the boat trading gold to take $3 every day. We instruct the boat trading the Bitcoin to take $3 every day. Okay, so which means in a day we're looking at making $6, an average of $6 daily on the trading. Okay, so you're making $6 every day on the trading. Then from the IB commissions, where the plenty money is, that is where the money is, even more than the trading. So for instance, if you have, from the way the boat trades in a day, if one person signs up with your link, you are sure of making minimum of $2 in a day from one person. So which means if you have like 10 people who uses your link to register and connect to this our boat in copy trading, you are going to be making, in your IB commission alone, you are going to be making more than $20 for 10 people. So that's why I told you guys that here you eat money and you'll be tired. Because now, take a look at it. The IB commission is static, like it's what's the word now? It's sure. Whether you even make money, whether you make profit in the day or not, as long as that boat is trading, let's say for instance, the boat couldn't even meet the target before the deadline of the day, because we have fixed that every 12 p.m. in the day, it goes off the market, okay? We have also increased the time to 2 a.m. in the night. It's going to trade from 2 a.m. to 12 midnight. So whenever it meets $3, it goes off the market. So that's how it has been programmed. So if the boat encounters any loss of, let's say, $3, $6 loss, it's trying to recover that loss, which means it's going to be trading more and you'll be making more money in the IB commission. Does it make sense to anybody? If it makes sense to you what I'm saying, can you give me a 77 in the chat box, guys? If it makes sense. So which means the IB commission, you are sure of that money every day, whether you even make money in the trading or not. Every day you are going to be, even if it's just one person that uses your link to sign up, you are sure of $2, sometimes $3. Now let me show you the test that we did so that It doesn't just appear like I am making this up. Or hold on, let me show you my account, because we connected the boat to um, one of the accounts that I registered. Okay, all right. I believe you all can see my screen. Now, this is my account. This is my account. The company is called WebTrade. Now, I do not have any trading capital on this account. I am not using this account to trade, but I use this account to refer someone to be trading, to copy the trade that the boat is taking. So, but you know what? 3 days that we tried it, look at what I've earned. In 3 days, it's just one person. That's almost $8, $7.94, because the person used my link to join this broker. The name of the broker is WebTrade. You can go and do your finding. WebTrade has been in business since 2006. In Nigeria, they have an office in Nigeria. There's there For every trader there is a manager, account manager that is assigned to you. Okay. So and they offer copy trading service where you are able to come in and create a strategy for others to follow. Okay. So now take a look at this. This is the breakdown. Okay, the first day on the 9th, that was on 9th, should be on Wednesday or so, or Thursday. The IB commission that was paid to this my account for that single account that I use this account to refer, that is trading with the boat, I earned $2.3. Then the following day on the 10th, I hope everybody can see. Is this figures, is it big enough for you guys to see? Let me zoom it out a bit. Yeah. So on the 10th, he earned $3.16. So which means the boat traded more that day. Then on the 10th, okay, sorry, on the 11th, this is 9, this is 10, 11. 11, I earned $2.48. So now, if I had just two people, so which means this money would have doubled. It would have been about $15. Okay, just for two people. So imagine if I had 10 people that have signed up with my link and they are connected to the boat. So which means in 3 days, for 10 people, I would have earned $79 in 3 days. So which means in a week, I'll probably be doing, for 10 people that are just connected to the boat using my link to register, that means in a week, I can actually be making up to $100. Yeah. If in 3 days, one person is giving me this, what am I even saying? Hold on. In 3 days, one person, hold on, let me do the mathematics. Let's use a random number. Average of all of this, let's just say $2. Okay, $2 daily. If I have 10 people, which means I'm making $20 in a day. So times 5 days in a week, that's about $100. But mind you, there will be some days you'll be earning like $3 per person, depending on the activities, training activity that day. So that is how another way you can make money in Forex, IB commission. Now, like I said, this one is free. That's why I posted that even if you don't have trading capital, just come. But you can market it. You can tell people, oh, we have a group where you can copy trade. You just connect. You don't have to do anything. Daily target is between $3 to $6 every day. I'm sure somebody will come. Just have a minimum of $80 to $100 in your account. You don't have to have much. So that is how that you can make money here on WebTrade, by just copying trades and telling your friends about it, to come and copy trades, and you are making money every day. even when the boat makes a loss of, say, maybe $1 loss, $2 loss, or $3 loss. But in your IB commission, you are making money there daily, steady. Okay, so that's that about the IB commissions. Then what else would I plan to talk about? Yes, the boat for those that have larger capital, maybe because this boat now, the way it is, we have programming in this copy trading is for those that will have $80, $100 trading capital. So, but you can copy, maybe if you have more than that, you have less than between 100, 200, or $300, you can register a family member and just connect them, put $100 in those accounts, and they'll be making money. And you will be earning IB commission from, maybe if you register 3 accounts on that, and you put $100 in all of them, you are making IB commission on the main account that has referred those other 3. But we are working on, for people who have $500, $1,000, where we will now increase the lot size, because on this one, the lot size is 0.01. So the one that is coming for 500, for 1,000, the lot size will be maybe 0.03 or 0.05. Okay. So this meeting will, they also cut us off. So you can just click the link again to join if it goes up. So that is for those who have $1,500 and above to trade. So your own will be coming. So when we return, I'm going to show you how you are going to, connect to these boats. Okay, so that's what we'll do next. I'll be showing you guys once you register, do your KYC. Your KYC simply means you register, you upload your ID, because the broker wants to be sure you are a real human being and you are from the country that you are saying you are from. So your ID card,